Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying the huntrix meal from McDonald's. I want to try the Soulja Boys meal before it sells out. I've seen K-pop Demon Hunters and I like that movie. Let's just get into it. Okay. So, I got, shaker fries. Mmm. I just got sweet and sour sauce. I like sweet and sour sauce, but I heard that they also come with sauces. Like a gold sauce and a purple sauce. It has their signature. I also heard that they have a McFlurry. A derpy McFlurry. And there's a photo card. I actually have 2 photo cards.